Now, this is how we can paste a photo on another photo. Well, inside of the built-in Photos app or inside of the camera, we don't really have that capability. We need to use a third-party photo editor from the App Store. And while there are more options which you can pick from, they all actually work kind of the same way, but I'm gonna go with this one, which is called HiPic. It is free to get. There are some premium features, but for what we are trying to do, it's going to be more than enough. So if you want to, you can go ahead and download this app too, then grant or let the app access your photos. This is kind of important. And then you can start editing. So just import a photo which you want to edit, right? So at first we need to bring in the background image so we can be like this, and at the bottom we have a couple of different adjustments and things we can change, but we want to head over to the stickers section, and there are some built-in stickers which you can like layer on top, but you can also just import an image, and then from the images here you can essentially just select and cut out certain parts of a photo, and you will be able to place it on top of each other. So you can choose that this is the photo that you select. You can play around and like be really precise with your selection if you wish. And there's even the auto selection, so a bunch of cool stuff. And then you can click on the check icon and it will let you paste that image on another photo. So you can like layer things on top of each other, and you can keep on going if you wish. You can add more stuff. And when you are ready, just tap on the export or download button in the top corner and you will be able to save that image into your gallery. So it's pretty simple. As I said, more apps can do this, but I quite like this one because it's very intuitive and it just works well. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and let me know below it about anything, about any of your insights, and subscribe so you never miss tutorials and straight to the point guides like this one. Thank you for watching.